Step inside the beast, the Lamborghini Aventador. Fighter jet vibes hit you instantly with this cockpit design. Flip up the red start button and you feel the power awaken. Premium leather, carbon fiber everywhere. Pure luxury meets performance. That digital display? Sharp, aggressive, and fully customizable. Low seats, tight space. This car is built for speed, not comfort. Every detail screams adrenaline. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. Which one your favorite Aventador? Comment, like, subscribe now.